tree speaks ever of companionship and rest. Ye of all righteous acts, this is best to plant a tree.
By Alfred Joyce Kilmer. I think that I shall never see a poem lovely as a tree whose hungry mouth is pressed against the earth's sweet flowing breast, a tree that looks at God all day and lifts her leafy arms to pray, a tree that may in summer wear a nest of robins in her hair, upon whose bosom snow has lain, who intimately lives with rain. Poems are made by fools like me, but only God can make a tree.
Let us come before Him with thanksgiving and extol Him with music and song.
Awit po tayo ng may kaganap. Sumigaw po tayo sa pagpuri sa Panginoon ng ating Diyos.
Pagpupuri, pagsamba, tanging sa'yo lamang. Diyos na makapangyarihan, magpakailanman. Ang pag-ibig mo'y sapat sa kanino man.
Shine like a candle in the dark. All it takes to make a difference is a song. And it's easy to see that the brightest I'll be is when I let His light shine through me.
We have to do things even if it seems impossible. Walk by faith and not by sight. Kailangan nating maglakad na may pananampalataya, hindi ko ano yung nakikita natin, pero dahil alam natin na ang Diyos, igagayad tayo kung saan tayo dapat pumunta, sa Kanya tayo dapat tumingin. And as we go to the next 15 years of Green Earth, let us just remember that if God helped us before and now, there is no reason that He will not continue to help us. We just have to wait and we just have to do our part and pray and continue to be diligent, hopeful, cheerful, trusting in Him sa lahat ng bagay. He will never leave us nor forsake us. Hindi na tayo iiwanan at hindi na tayo tatapuin.
So we ask and pray, Heavenly Father, that you will fulfill our aspirations and our vision for the people here at Sitio Manapan-Naparan, Barangay Sibul.
Editor, swimmer, singer. Dami mong pangarap din. Nasaan na siya? Ano yung pinaka gusto mong marating doon sa